Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your media and placing the primary clip into a sequence that matches frame rate and resolution. This avoids sync drift later. Once done, switch to the captions or text workspace so the timeline shows subtitle options. Create a new captions track and choose the correct format, open captions for burned-in text or sidecar files for export. Make sure audio waveforms are visible, so you can align captions precisely to speech peaks and pauses before typing. Now you build subtitle blocks and sync them tightly to speech. You create each caption clip and either drag its edges or enter and slash out times numerically so timing is exact. Using the waveform makes this faster. While entering text, control line breaks and use the essential graphics for font, size, color, and position so styling stays consistent. Play back often and nudge captions by 1/2 second or single frame when dialogue shifts. This preserves readability and prevents overlap. To finish, choose your export strategy. Burn in subtitles directly into the video or export a sidecar file like SRT. You go to Export Media and choose Burn Captions or Create Sidecar File, then verify encoding settings and language tags. After export, test in multiple players to confirm sync and character rendering. If captions disappear or show as blank, make sure the caption track is enabled, the correct caption format was chosen, and there are no unsupported characters. Re-export after correcting those issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.